Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren and today I'm so excited to show you a transformation of my plain bedroom into the ultimate cozy makeover. So if that's something that you're interested in, just keep watching. Here's the before pictures of when the house was listed for sale. These pictures make the colors look better than they actually do in person. This is right off the entryway when you first walk into the house. It has beautiful high ceilings, beautiful windows, large windows, but it's very dark. The color really shrinks the size of the room. So you'll see my paint swatches there. I really want to brighten it up. All of the furniture came with the house, so I'm going to try to reuse as much as I can and thrift to replace certain pieces, but I really like the headboard in here. On this wall, I want to add a gallery wall, maybe around the TV, add a couple of pictures, hang them up, make that wall look cute. Here's a couple of my inspiration pictures. I like the green. I like that it feels a little cottagey, a little cozy, brightens it up while keeping it warm. I also really like this picture. I like the bedding in it. Probably gonna reference this for mine. Cue us almost ruining the beadboard. I'm going to condense 4 hours worth of work into about a minute long. This is all of Matt's doing. He's great with the power tools. He handles all the cuts. That scares me, so he can do that. So enjoy some music over this.
Old Spice. So when you smell like an armpit, you no longer smell like an armpit. Old Spice.
I chose Clary Sage by Sherwin Williams and Dover White, also by Sherwin Williams. I went with the showcase paint available at Lowe's. For all of the trim and doors and the accent wall, I did a satin finish, and then on the rest of the walls, I did an eggshell finish. And I know you're supposed to cut in and then roll, but we were working on multiple different things at one time, and I was just trying to get this done, and we had to do a couple coats, so it's all good. We're starting to hang the curtains. Matt's putting the hardware together here. I bought the same size length for both windows, not realizing that one window was so much larger than the other. So I'll have to return that curtain rod and get the longer size. Here are the curtains I ended up purchasing. They came in a pack of 2, pinch pleats, already shaped together. So I thought they were very good quality, very good deal for what you were getting. It's a bit bright, so you might have trouble seeing exactly what I'm doing, but I'm just putting the hook in the middle of the pinch pleat, which is what you're supposed to do for these types of curtains. And then I'll just take this loop hook I'm not entirely sure what they're called, but you're supposed to put these loops on the hooks, and that is what will hang on your curtain rod. After we put these on the curtain rod, the curtains were dragging a little bit on the floor. So that's where these hooks can come in handy and give you an extra 2 inches of wiggle room. So I just pushed them all the way down to the bottom to raise my curtains up off the ground a little bit so they would no longer drag, if that makes sense. There was originally a ceiling fan in this room, and I replaced it for a chandelier I found on Amazon. I'm about to put it up on the screen. It was on sale for $38. It looks high quality. It worked out really well. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be bringing in the decor, bringing in the furniture, and really making the space come together. If you like this video, let me know your favorite part. Leave me a comment down below. Also, subscribe so you don't miss my future uploads. Thanks again.